This is POCO X5 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google search bar, type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, you gotta look for either the official Fortnite.com website or epicgames.com webpage. Both are fine. In my case, the Fortnite page was, found and shown earlier, so that's what I'm going to go for in this particular case. Then at the following page, tap at the Download Now button, then confirm that you would like to download the file anyway at the pop-up window that you'll get further. Then launch the file, grant Google Chrome or any other browser that you use to install unknown apps permission. Then once this alert pops up, check the circle over here, wait for the OK button to become active, and then tap on it. Then confirm the Epic Games Launcher installation, open it once the security scan gets performed, just skip this step. Then at the Epic Games Launcher app, tap at the black Get button in front of a Fortnite game, and then at the Install button on the Fortnite dedicated page. Now we will wait for all the necessary files to get downloaded, so, let's wait. As you can see, once the download process has approached the installation, we gotta do the same thing we did for the Google Chrome, thus allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps. So we'll do exactly as we did previously and proceed with the installation. So basically, after the Fortnite game was installed, you can now launch it, and all that separates you from being able to play the game itself is the little wait that you need to attend in order for the game to download all the necessary resources and updates. As you can see, the update size is pretty huge, it's almost 7 gigabytes. So once you will wait for it and it will be finished, you will be actually able to start playing the game already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.